Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video series, uh, today we're going to learn the most important concept of the coding language, that is the loops. So until now we have learned the variables, the data types and the type and the list and the dictionary, right? So we're going to implement what we have learned previously with the loops. So before starting that, I will just uh, I will take one section here. The section will include loops. Okay, so here I will just take one variable, like let's say products. In this products we'll use, first one item is mouse, second item is keyboard, third item is we'll take a USB, and fourth item is webcam. Okay, so uh, it is already given us the for loop syntax. So before we'll just print first item will print, that is product of 0. This is the first item. We're going to print the second item, products of 1. Okay, now we'll execute with the control shift. See, we have already we have got these two items. So what if, like we also print these 4 items. Okay, now what if this list has hundreds of item, like thousands of item? It is not a good practice to write. It is even impossible to write. It is possible, but it will take time to write all this print statement with thousands of data, right? So that's why we have an amazing concept called as loops. So with the same with the same we'll take this variable, the data. I will use for loop. See here, if I execute this for loop, the same thing only. See how much difference it makes. Here I need to write for print statement. Within just 2 lines, I have got same output, right? Even with the thousands of items also, we'll get the same output. I will take another example. Let's say number items. First I will take 20, will take 50, take 100, will take 400, take for 35. Now I'll make use of one for loop, items in items. Before printing that, see, the conditional statements in the for loop are most like what powerful statements, right? In the industrial level also we'll use same thing only. Like I will take if item is greater than 100, print that item. Okay, execute this. See here, what are the items? Those are greater than 100, 400. Only one item is greater than 400. So how it works? Let me tell you. First, this for loop will go through each and every item of this loop, right? So that's why we here write it as in. So the first item will be assigned, this 20 item will be assigned to this variable. Now this 20 item will get like assigned to this item. Now it will check first, if item 20 is greater than 200, then only will print. Okay, here please make sure that we have to give in space here. This is called as indentation. If you won't give this space, Python won't execute that uh, code within that loop. Let's say if I execute this, it will throw an error, indentation error. Okay, to make sure that code works properly, we need to give indentation. Okay, now first it will take 20, then again 30. Is 30 greater than 100? No, Is 100 greater than 100? No. Is 400 greater than 100? Yes. That's why it printed as 400. Is 35? No. Okay. Now we'll use for loop on the list and dictionaries. To do that, we already uh, we have one variable here, that is inventory. This is data. We'll take this, simply I copied and I pasted here. Now we'll loop through each and every product of this inventory. For product in this inventory, I won't print this. I will write some conditional statements here. If this product of, instead of in stock, I will change it to stock. If you want to select like this, you have to just use Control D. You have to press Control D D D. Okay, stock. Okay. Now I will change it to, first one is in 10, second one is 7 stock, third one is 50, fourth one is 8, fourth one is 0. Okay. Now I will add first condition. If uh, that product means this product of stock, I will take here stock, is greater than 10, or else I will is equal to 0. Then I will print f string, the product is out of stock. Okay, that that is our first condition. I will take second condition. If the product of that stock, if it is greater than 10, we're gonna print is in stock. Okay. If the product is else, if product if those two conditions won't satisfy, we'll print the product is running low. Okay. To separate all the iterations, all the items data, we'll just use one separator like this. Now I will execute. See, for the first product, we'll get this. We got this output. How means, see, first the product, that is this data will be assigned to this. First it will check this product of stock. This is the data will be 10. Is 10 equal to 0? No, it is not. So it is false here. It won't execute this. It will check second condition. Is 10 greater than 0? No. So it is also false. Then the leftover is this last one. That's why the product is running low. The product of mouse is running low. The product mouse is running low. Again, it completed this thing. So it printed here, like this separator. Next loop, it will take this. So it will check. It will take 7. Again, it will check. Is 7 equal to 0? False. It is 7 greater than 10? False. So it will execute this. Means the product is running low. Now it will take 50. Is 50 equal to 0? False. Is 50 greater than 10? Yes, it is greater than 10. That's why it will print the product, that is USP is in stock. See, now the fourth item is a webcam. It will take webcam to take stock 0. Now if is stock equal to 0, yes, it is equal to 0, then it will print this first statement, the product webcam is out of stock. So this is it, guys. It is very easy with for loops. So if it is helpful for you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.